What's the meaning of assumed? Assumed. Assumed.
Assumed. Assumed. The word assumed is typically used to describe a situation in which a person takes something to be true or accepts it as a fact without any evidence or proof. It implies a belief that may not be based on reality or actual knowledge. This can lead to misunderstandings, false impressions, and incorrect conclusions. In short, when someone assumes something, they take it for granted without any clear evidence, leading to potential errors or inaccurate interpretations of a situation or circumstance.